Hello everyone, welcome to this channel English Easy Solution। তো ক্লাস 7 এর এই যে ফিয়ার্স ফেস চ্যাপ্টারটা আগের দুটো ভিডিওতে আপলোড করা হয়েছে। তো এই ভিডিওতে এটার এক্সারসাইজ কোশ্চেন আনসার আপলোড করা হয়েছে। তো চলো দেখা যাক। এই চ্যাপ্টারটার পড়ার যে ভিডিওটা সেটা এখানে দুটো পার্টে আপলোড আছে। ডেসক্রিপশন বক্সে এটার লিংক দেওয়া থাকবে, তোমরা প্লিজ চেক করে নিও। আনসার দেখো, আনসার উইথ রেফারেন্স টু দ্য কনটেক্সট। ডিউরিং দ্য ডে she kept wide awake, lying between them. Who does she refer to here? A tigress means Bagni. Question B, who are they referred to here? The tiger and his son means father cat and fierce face itself. Number C, what does the above line tell about her? The answer will be she is concerned about her son's safety. D, the past participle form of the word awake is awoken. Number 2, like a cobra, she buried her teeth in the father's neck. Who does she refer to here? All of you know that the answer will be the tigress. Number B, why did she bury her teeth? বেরি মানে হচ্ছে একদম দাঁতটা ফুটিয়ে দেওয়া, বেরি মানে এমনিতে হচ্ছে মাটির তলায় চাপা দেওয়া, যেটা আমরা কবর বলি সেটা। তো why did she bury her teeth in the father's neck? Because the elder cat tried to kill her cub. Okay. Identify the figure of speech used in the given context. এটা হচ্ছে simile. Simile মানে হচ্ছে কোনো কিছু কম্পেয়ার করা, যেমন আমরা বলি as soft as feather, এগুলো হচ্ছে simile। তো দেখো বি এর কোশ্চেন আনসার্স এখানে। Why did Bagni nurse her cub in secret? Bagni licked her son's wounds in secret to save it from the father tiger's grip. Next question. Why did Bagni not relax her vigilance? Bagni knew that fathers of the cat tribe detest their sons and try to kill them. So she kept wide awake, lying between them. Acha, next question. What did Bagni do when her husband and child slept during the day. She kept wide awake, lying between them. Next question. What did the father resent? The cup gradually becomes the favorite of his mother. This fact resented the father cat or the tiger. Why did Bagni go insane with anger? Hearing the sudden howl of pain from Fierce's face, Bagni went insane with anger. She wanted to save her son first and did not want any quarrel between the father and son. So this was the exercise portion, and feel free to subscribe and share if you feel helped from these videos. Thank you.